Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to show you some amazing aesthetic ideas how you can make your garden look amazingly appealing and aesthetically beautiful. Some garden decor ideas that will give your garden look an amazing look, a phenomenal look. Now, you can see in these photos, like as you can add a lot of other things to your garden, such as you can add marbles to your garden. You can also add a lot of DIY structural ideas that can add a lot of sense of beauty to your garden. Not only this, you can also add flowers of different colors, flowers of different heights, and flowers of different seasons that can make your garden look amazing and beautiful. Not only this, but remember to use different colors, colors that are warm and colors that are light, makes makes your garden looks brighter and makes good your garden looks bigger as well. Remember to use colors of different kinds. Also, you can add furniture to your garden. By furniture, we mean sofas, different colors, rugs and posters, so that not only this, you can add a lot of other things as well. Remember to use the architectural designs very wisely, as those designs can be a source of other comprehensions as well. Not only this, your every single taste represent your personality as well. Not only this, but also remember to use flowers of different colors, aesthetic DIY ideas that can make look your garden look aesthetically appealing. With all of this, you can also add flower beds of different kinds. Fountains in the garden also adds a lot of other things as well. Remember to grow food in your garden and vegetables of your choice as well. Remember that every single touch that you make to your garden represents your smile, style, and identity. It represents your personality as well. Remember to use colors of different kinds. Aesthetic ideas and DIYs can also be attained, and also architectural designs plays an important role. With this, you can also add lots of other ideas. Remember to use wood that is very appealing and color and very good in texture. Wood that is long lasting is very much welcome. Remember to use colors of different kinds, and other than that, do not forget to resubscribe. Do not forget to do not forget to use different kinds of lights as well and colors as well that can add more static and appealing look. With that, also add colors of lighter and warmer so that it provides a sense of security and adds light and would light up your mood and personality as well. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share it with your fellows, and subscribe to our channel.